I don't believe I should be drinking.
I used to be a Christian, but I ain't no Christian no more.
So what are you?
I'm Muslim.
So?
Okay then.
Bro.
What's crazy, bro?
Bro, they getting quarters out of here from just.
Hey, nigga, that's time, bro. I'm sticking up my best. Watch out, bitch. Oh, my bitch. Yeah, I got her. Yeah, I'm gonna keep falling.
Bro, I swear, bro, some money just fell up out of. Now, Red, show them how much money you. Look at this. On the real, you got all that just from banging on there.
Yep. I should did this a long time ago, G.
You said you should.
Yeah. Hey, you forget that's the police?
Oh, this is going on YouTube.
Hey, we going to jail.
Why they gonna make us go to jail when they machine broke? Hey, show them how much you made tonight. Yeah. They don't know how we get it in. They don't know how we get it in. Hey, tell them. They don't know how we get it in.
No,
On my mama.
They
They don't know how we get it in.
No, that's half of that is his friend money.
You said what?
Half of that is his friend money.
Hey, say they don't know.
Scam likely. Tell him I came.
Yeah, he a big scammer. Ooh.
Tell him. Fuck up.
Hey, my nigga, scam.
Tell him fuck up credit card for all.
Oh, mama.
Meet him in person.
Oh, God.
I'll get $1. Got more money than me. Oh, wait, how much quarters is that? They're probably like $4, $5 worth of quarters. Hey.
That not red got?
Yeah.
Yeah, it probably is. But I don't think no more quarters.
Oh, God. That was probably it. Let me see. It's like $1.25. $1.25.
Hey, she put that in. Oh, snap.
They'll have to come back like a week when they like put some more change.
No, come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow.
No, she didn't get those from this machine. She got from over there. That's why.
All right, y'all. I'm gone. Hey, now Red, why you unplug the machine? She didn't unplug the machine and stuff. All right, so look, y'all remember my sisters and my sisters, right? They were trying to jack the machine, right?
They're watching the camera. Oh, swear to God. Swear to God, the office is open. Today's Monday.
Y'all niggas is crazy, bro.
Some fell off. Wait.
But these niggas trying to real life get the machine for. Not real. I thought the office was watching.
People on YouTube.
Hell yeah. Y'all go. Oh my man. No.
We went to that other one, being okay, and her. We went to that air conditioner. We went to that other one.
Go to the other one.
We went to the one across the street. That thing was pushed in.
Hey, go to the other one. I bet you the other one probably worked.
Wait.
Hey, but no bull though. I ain't got it on camera, but I swear to God, bro, these motherfucking vending machines be giving money away for real.
Had $7 the other day. Nigga,
Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. He is not.
it is.
You said it's what? I was gonna say.
You don't hear. Look.
Yeah.
The louder it gets, that's when it's gonna fix.
Johnny.
Wait. I'm getting bruises.
Go to the top and stump on it. Alright.
Yeah, bum ass girl. No.
Alright, get out.
Ghetto kids.
That's how she
Somebody-
get her stuff up there.
Somebody baby kid up there.
Get it. I know you're not gonna jump. She won't. You won't.
What's up? Bro, don't do that.
Alright, y'all.
I hope the cameras are watching.
Oh, I forgot this is student of ours.
I mean, did you just spit?
Wait, what?
I swear to God.
I'm sorry, cameras, but you gonna have to watch this. I'm on my downfall.
I ain't gonna lie. If I ever catch my son doing some stuff like this,
What?
It's
What?
over.
Because I'm gonna be with him. No, I'm saying.
oh, you gonna
I'm gonna be with him. We both gonna be behind the trash can. You know what that means. Them little niggas, so if they need to knock it off. You acting froggy, you going top it off?
Where the fuck is you at? Like it's like you was invisible for a second, bro.
Oh my
They
God.
already know I'm slack. You know what I'm
I don't believe I should be drinking.
I used to be a Christian, but I ain't no Christian no more.
So what are you?
I'm Muslim.
So?
Okay then.
Bro.